In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these common problems under ICT. So we are going to focus on the subtopic merit or advantages, disadvantages, and activities in computer. We have about 18 to 20 repeated questions to practice with. In the video, let's get started. The first question I have here says, which software program can be used to generate financial reports from a company's client list? So it's obvious, is Microsoft Excel. Okay, very important, guys. Let's take question. This one says the distinctive advantage of global system for mobile communication is ease mobility. Option A. Okay, next question. The machine language that allows programmers to write programs for all types of computers and systems is known as high level language. Option A. Okay, take notes. Next one. The elimination of fault in a computer program is called debugging. So right answer is option D, debug. Next question. The process of transferring data from one computer to another is referred to as downloading. Option A. Next question. The most importance of computer is facilitating exchange among individuals and firms, exchanging, enhancing business relationships, assisting trade through banking and insurance, helping people to improve their profits. So right answer to this question is option A, facilitating exchange among individuals and firms. Next question. A console is a device used in holding magnetic tape reel, forming characters by hearing, sensitive ribbon, communicating between operator and program, moving an indicator on the screen. Right answer is option D, moving an indicator on the screen. Okay, next question. In business, the computer is very important, especially in financial management, education management, marketing management, information management. The right answer is option D, information management. Next one is this one. It says the device which interprets and carries out instructions presented to it by the computer program is known as the microprocessor. Option C, very important. Next question. The central working system of a computer used for data processing is the memory unit. Option C. Okay, next question. This one says to meet the security requirement before gaining access to data, a computer operator supplies password. Option C. Next one. Which software program can be used to generate financial report from a company's client list? Microsoft Excel. Option A. Okay, next one. The internet is a system of telecommunication used for communicating messages through telegram, communicating long distance message, sending and receiving text messages, sending electronic messages. The right answer is option D, sending electronic messages. Okay, next question says the distinctive advantage of global system for mobile communication is question. Stability is the right answer. Mobility is the right answer. Option B. Next question says the process of transferring data from one computer to another is first downloading. Repeat question. This one. An example of a computer operating system is Microsoft Word 2000. No, Windows 2000. Yes. The right answer is option B. Okay. Next question. The temporal working area of a central processing unit is called RAM. Option C. Okay, very important. This one says the use of computer in modern banking industry is a reflection of competitive development, economic development, technological development, scientific development. Right answer is option C, technological development. Next question. Intranet differs from extranet in that the former requires a modem before it could be used, requires internet protocols, can generally be accessed by the public, is restricted to employees of an organization. Right answer is this, option D, the restriction. The last question for end this video, this one says a software application which enables a user to display and interact with text, images, and videos is the web browser. Option C. So guys, this is basically I can do problems involving advantages, disadvantages, and activities in computer for your JAMB commands of practice with about 18 to 20 questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video here, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel, what you learned from the video. If you still have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. So ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on join button and getting improvement information and help yourself. It's not exam like a JAMB and other exams we're writing. Alright, so if you know this, click on the screen above, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.